All right, hello once again, folks. Back out here one more time out at the creek. We just checked the water temps. They're low 50s, so still a little chilly. I just got a cast out right over on that side of the bank, and as I was bringing it back, I got a green sunfish to bite at it. So might be a decent day. I know, especially for bass, once it hits about 50 degrees, they start feeding up for spawn season, so we might be able to get some pretty good catches in today. We'll see what happens. All right, well, we haven't gone too far from where we started. Got a pretty good sized green sunfish over here. Pretty good size. Look at that guy. Goodness gracious. Beautiful fish. Well, here's another one right here by the bank. Beautiful fish. Good colors on him. So far, it's not a bad day. I've already caught 3 of them while we've been out here. Let's see if we can keep it up. Well, I got another one. I think this is probably, ooh, calm down there. Probably one of the smallest fish we've caught out of here. He was hungry though. Look at this tiny little guy. Itty bitty little fella. So far, we haven't gone that far from where we started, and I've been having pretty decent luck. My dad, not so much. He's been struggling a little bit, but we're gonna keep trying, see what happens. Hopefully we'll be able to catch a pretty good sized one out of here. Probably not in this little area though. That tiny little thing is the first bite I've got over here, really. So we're gonna keep on trying and keep moving around. We'll see what happens. Well, here we go again with the little tiny ones. Move to another spot, and probably my 3rd cast. This tiny little fella. Itty bitty little guy. There are tumbleweeds everywhere out here. All those out there, that's normally the area I would be casting, and I can't do that with those tumbleweeds in the way. Makes things kind of difficult. We'll just have to keep trying it and see what happens, I suppose. Ooh. There's another one. Hey, that's a little bit better. Yeah, it's a pretty good chunky guy right there. Open up, fella, come on. He's angry. Well, anyway, there he is right there. Pretty good size compared to those other ones. Well, I will be back after after having to retie, I suppose. Well, so I got lucky, didn't have to retie. Managed to pull it. I thought it was a log or something down there. It ended up just being a big old clump of moss. Come on, fella. Caught me another little one too. Got that moss off there, cast right back out, and there he was. And that's the end of it. I'm gonna try something silly. It has worked before. Wasn't able to fully catch it, but I had him on the hook for a second. Just dropped my lure down here by all this brush. Sometimes there's crappie hanging out down here. Yeah, that don't look like it's gonna work for us, unfortunately. I'm gonna come over to this other side here. There is, I don't know how well y'all can see it in the water there, but there is just lines of moss going with this current. All right, finally found a spot that has some more fish. Hey, calm down there, fella. We've been wandering for the last hour probably and haven't had nothing. And finally, we come over here to the, what I like to call the honey hole. And we get something. Oh, sorry. Or at least I got something. I don't think Dad has caught anything the whole time we've been out here. I feel kind of bad. I made him come out here with me, and he hadn't even been having any luck. So beautiful out here. I love it. I love it so much. Been weird with the water being still kind of cold. We'll go into a spot and we'll see a whole bunch of fish swimming around like we did back in the summer last year and in the fall last year, but we'll only catch one or two, and then that's it. That's all we get. I'm gonna keep trying. We might move down a little further past this area and see if we catch anything. Hopefully hopefully we'll be able to get at least a couple more before we call it a day. So one good thing about this particular time of the year, I've been wanting to fish this little area all last summer, but I couldn't get over here because all of this was overgrown with all these plants. Now these plants are dead enough that I'm able to get down here and get a few casts out, see what happens. It doesn't look like it's very deep over here. Honestly, just kind of looks really rocky. So I might not even catch anything. And the current is flowing pretty good today. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have much luck over here. Might have to go down a little further. Well, folks, I got another one. Me and my dad are sitting over here in the same spot using the exact same lure. I feel kind of bad. He's been having a rough time out here today.
What he means to say is I ain't catching nothing.
Yeah, exactly. But we're gonna keep trying it. Hey, I crossed you.
Yeah.
Dad finally got himself one.
Yeah.
This is a pretty good one too.
Yeah. Not bad. Ow, bitch. He just poked me. Well, what did I do there?
I don't know.
I got the string wrapped around my finger.
All right. Dad finally caught one. Took him long enough.
Yeah, we're on our way out. One more time.
Yeah, we were getting ready to leave and we spooked some fish and we thought, hey, let's try it. Maybe we'll catch one. And sure enough, Dad's first cast, he caught one. This dang moss getting stuck on everything.